guys, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. I've partnered up with Ana Luisa, my favorite sustainable jewelry brand, to try on and review 3 gorgeous pieces, and they're currently doing a Valentine's Day sale, so everything is 50% off. If you have a Valentine, great, start dropping some hints, but if you don't, that's okay because you can still be your own Valentine and get yourself some pretty pieces. What I love about Ana Luisa is their focus on sustainability. They offset 100% of their carbon emission, and they also run small limited batches to reduce waste. I think it's great to back a business that cares about sustainability, but a far less honourable reason for me to say yes to the collab again is because I'm just freaking obsessed with their designs. Most of their pieces look way more expensive than they cost. Some actually start at $39 US, so there is no crazy markups. And this time I'm trying something new. I got myself a ring because ain't nobody's tried to put a ring on my finger just yet. Keep watching because I can't wait to show you guys what I got and how I feel about them. So let's get started. So the first item I want to talk about are these gorgeous Cora earrings. These little guys are made out of 14K gold plated, 100% recycled sterling silver, so they won't tarnish easily. They're honestly the cutest, daintiest heart-shaped safety pin earrings I've ever seen. Now let's take a look at the anatomy of the earring. So one side has a keyhole with 2 little studs and the other side has a hollow gap in the middle. I personally prefer the keyhole side to be front facing, but on their website the model actually wore it the other way so people see the keyhole side when they are on the side of you. It's just a personal preference thing, but I like the design facing the front so people can just see it straight away. I love the craft of these earrings. They are so delicate but very sturdy. If you pull the pin very wide and you're like, oh no, will it bounce back? If you just put it back into the gap, it just kind of goes back to its original shape very nicely. They're also very light so they don't weigh your ears down. You know how some safety pin designs could look a bit tacky? Not these ones. They are so elegant and the quality is immaculate. I just love how these earrings kind of strike the perfect balance of being a little bit cheeky but not looking cheap. I styled these earrings with this polka dot off-shoulder top, some pink culottes. I just want to create a day date outfit which isn't trying too hard, and I think this outfit really goes with the cuteness of the earrings. I'm giving these Cora earrings 5 out of 5. The quality is immaculate and the design is super intricate and cute, and I can just see people with multiple piercings using this as a stacking piece. This is seriously making me want more holes in my ears. Next up, I've got these beautiful twisted hoop earrings called Party, or I should say Paris. These are also 14K gold plated and they're made out of brass instead of sterling silver. These earrings feel pretty substantial and nuggety, but they aren't super heavy, so don't worry, they're not gonna stretch your piercings. I know I've said this 1,000 times before, but I'll say it again because your girl loves a good quality click when it comes to earrings, and as you can hear, solid, crisp click. These will stay on your ears forever unless you take them out. I love the design so much. I think they are so chic and they make me feel like a Parisian girl. The design is a classic with a twist. The size is also perfect for me. I don't think they're too big or too small. The diameter is 20 millimeters, so they're still very visible with your hair down. I styled these earrings with a classic LBD for a dinner date. As you can see, this dress is fairly simple, but these earrings just give the outfit the pop it needed. I think it just gives off this Parisian elegance and effortless sex appeal. Please don't act corny like me because no one will want to take you out on a date. I'm giving these Paris earrings 5 out of 5. I just love how they're so simple but they will elevate anything you wear. The last piece I want to talk about is this gorgeous gold rope ring which goes very well with my Paris earrings as a set. The quality is again stunning and it's also 14K gold plated brass like the earrings. The ring has a thinner version but I went for the bold version. The inside is hollow so it doesn't feel too heavy or clunky. It's not a nuisance to wear it when you're typing or writing because as you can see the sides kind of thin out into these smaller twists. When you wear it, it doesn't feel chunky in between your fingers. I think it works very nicely as a statement ring, but it also works with a bunch of finer rings as a stacking piece. One thing to note though is the sizing. They don't do half sizes, so I went for a 7, but I'm normally a 6.5, 6 3/4 for my middle finger and my index finger, and it fits perfectly. Probably run a little bit big when I'm not super bloated, which is most of the time. I would suggest using the ring size calculator, but then cross-check your measurements with other ring size charts on Google just to be doubly sure. So I styled this ring with this cute white knit dress with these tulip sleeves, and I just kept my Paris earrings on because they go so well together. I call this my wedding look because I got myself a ring. Seriously, this ring is so stylish and so elegant. Just makes my hand look a bit more beautiful. I rate this rope ring 5 out of 5. I love the design, I love the quality, and I also love how classic it looks. It's not a trend piece like those plastic rings on TikTok right now. I used to wear those rings when I was like 12. They're cute, and no judgment, I would probably end up buying a few of them because I love blindly following trends, but I don't think they will last. Whereas this ring will last me a long time, kind of like a wedding ring. That's it from me guys. I hope you find something you love for someone you love, and don't forget there's a 15% off everything for the Valentine's Day sale, so make sure you use it. I'm not sponsored or affiliated, but if you stumble across this video after the Valentine's Day sale, you can use my friends and family code for a little discount. You can also check out my other Ana Luisa video, which I'll link up here. I actually reviewed more pieces in detail so you can try with your eyes before you buy. And if you like Wikipedia, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on that bell notification so the algorithm will think you like me, so I can hit my next goal in 2021, which is 1,000 subs. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Valentine's. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.